Kula is a young achiever who smoothly executed her dreams and vision into reality. A science graduate, she completed her B.Ed but gave up her teaching job and started her business of farm mechanization in the year 2015. She has to her credit of motivating and converting more than 1,000 farmers from manual farming to mechanized farming to progress with technology and modern equipments. The result is less use of manpower, yet good production yield. Now, that is no small feat. It is remarkable that your efforts have helped strengthen the backbone of our economy, the farmers. Due to her commendable efforts, in the year 2018, she was nominated by the district collector for the drip irrigation project worth around 1.5 crores to support tribal farmers. Her hard work, dedication, and entrepreneurial skills helped her complete the project in the stipulated time. The success of the project brought her accolades and good recognition, which got her many big government projects. Welcome, Ms. Sirisha. Over to you.
Naman, can we have the video, please?
Thank you, Rupaji, for introducing me. Good evening, all. I'm very much happy and delighted to be a part of COVI in associated with SIDBI. I have started my career as a teacher. Now I have become a successful entrepreneur, woman entrepreneur. Actually, I would like to share my success story with you all. I have worked for 8 years as a teacher. When I was 8 months pregnant, I took break for my job and I have handled my family. Then, when my younger one was 2 years old, I have decided to restart my career. Then this time, I just want to create my self-employment. The same thing I have discussed with my husband, and he supported me a lot. Now we have did some inquiry regarding the present boom and like our Indian economy is mostly based on farming. Then we came to know why don't we do some more better improvement in those farming. Actually, we have inquired some farmers. We have approached some rural farmers, mostly tribal farmers. We have approached them and we have gone through their way of farming. Mostly they are based on traditional farming. Actually, we asked them, why don't you people are not using latest technology and why are you not using the latest equipment which we have? Then they said simply, we don't aware of those things. We don't have any knowledge regarding that. Then we have decided, why don't we start mechanized tools which we can provide them by giving them some support by approaching the concerned departments. Then slowly we have started first gardening tools. We have introduced gardening tools just for pruning, for leveling the garden and all. They are very much impressed. Then we felt happy with their response. Then we have started some more big equipment like preparation of soil. For preparation of soil, we need some equipment like weeders and all. After preparing soil, we need to sow seeds. Even for sowing seeds also, there are some equipments. We can use machinery through which we can get good results. Then we have slowly introduced power weeders. Later on, we have introduced some brush cutters and so on. then they are using them and they are getting good productivity, even liquidity, profit, and good yielding. They are very much happy with those products. And also we have conducted many village-wide skill development programs, which were attracted by our district collector. And he was very much impressed with those programs. And he personally took an initiative to implement some drip irrigation projects to help tribal farmers development. And he approached us and we got the project, the drip irrigation project. Even that project, when we have introduced those farmers, they felt so much of difficulties and they didn't aware of that. So we have created good awareness in them and we have made it good success. With this success and with all these things, some of the farmers approached us. You people, I have introduced very good products for us and it's giving, we are getting good profit with them. Even we are getting good quality of product and good yielding also. Even it is giving good income. Then they asked for uh, harvesters. Harvester is not a small thing. Actually, it's a in size also it's a huge thing. Even in income wise also we have in investment wise also we have to put lot of investment in that. Actually, it costs around 20 to 25 lakhs. Present, there are some harvesters in the market which cost around 30 lakhs. They asked us for a better and best priced harvesters. And we have attended several agri expos and we have gone through some international expos also. From there, we have collected some data and we have chosen some better harvesters which provide farmer good yielding at the same time good income for best price. Then we have chosen one company product, but even that costs around 18 to 20 lakhs. For investing that product, we need large use capital for that. Then one day we have gone through Stand Up India website. In that website, we have uploaded required documents which are needed for getting without collateral loan, which we got overdraft. Then immediately within 2 days, we got response from the concerned team. I really appreciate the team which are back of this. Immediately they have responded and they have referred the branch. It's in our place only. We are from Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. In our place, they have referred Canara Bank. The manager, Sunil sir, I'm very much thankful to him. He immediately responded to the project and he asked several documents which are needed. So whatever documents we have submitted to him, and he is very much impressed because it creates some good results. And also he felt it is very helpful for the farmers. Actually, when we approached him, he did not take much time. Within few days time only, he has approved loan for us. And we got the maximum amount 1 crore rupees and which we have invested for harvesters and we brought good amount of quality of products and also we have supplied to the farmers. With the result of this, we are getting much more good quality of yielding, even timeliness of operations, increased crop productivity, even in quality wise also, we got good grain quality also. So from this, we are very much delighted. And by year, we have increased and we have multiplied our turnover. Actually, at the starting, like 50 lakhs or 60 lakhs was our turnover. But today our turnover is 13 crores. I can proudly say I'm a successful woman entrepreneur today. I'm very much happy to thank my whole family, especially my husband, who is back of me in every aspect, in ups and downs and everything. Even our government, our state government, as well as central government has supported us a lot. We have provided some subsidy schemes also for the government farmers. Actually, there are a lot of schemes for farmers which are not aware of them. And we have created some awareness regarding these schemes also. And now farmers are our relatives. They have become that much close to us. And always they'll be in contact to know the present situation and to know how they can benefit by using such schemes and the latest equipment by which they use mechanized farming. They started doing mechanized farming and they have converted from traditional farming to mechanized farming. It's not that much easy because our Indian farmers are based on traditional from long years ago. But now they have converted to mechanized farming. And I wish the farmers, whoever in our India, not only in our state, in our whole India, has to convert into mechanized farming, and so that they can get more benefit and it will be so happy. Nowadays, we are facing a lot of problems of scarcity of labor. Even previous days, we used to have hogs, bull for uh, plowing and all. But even nowadays, we are not doing that as we have many mechanized tools to do all those things. If our will is strong, if the cause is good, then we can do it, we can achieve it. Nothing is impossible. I would encourage lady entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs who are there to start a business like this. I'm always back of them to support. And thank you very much for giving this opportunity and all the